In this video, I'll show you how to open a SoFi checking and savings account. Start by visiting the SoFi website or opening the SoFi mobile app. Click Get Started or open an account to begin. Next, create your SoFi account by entering your email address. Create a strong password, and click Continue. After that, enter your personal information. For example, type John Smith as your full name, enter your date of birth, home address, phone number, and your social security number or other required identification information. Now verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions. If requested, upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, to complete the verification process. Next, choose Checking and Savings when you're asked which account you'd like to open. Review the account features, terms, and disclosures, then agree to continue. After that, fund your new account if you'd like. For example, choose Transfer from another bank, link your existing bank account, and enter an initial deposit amount of $100. If you prefer, you can skip this step and fund the account later if that option is available. Finally, review all of your information and click Submit. Once your application is approved, your SoFi checking and savings account will be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to open a SoFi checking and savings account. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.